My dream is to build affordable, durable, and desirable homes for low income families using locally available natural materials. In 2016, I embarked on a 9 months long backpacking trip to India. In this trip, I visited many places and found out that many people build houses with locally available material. One of the most common material used for construction of house in India is mud, which is simply a mix of soil and water. These mud houses have some amazing properties. Mud, unlike fired brick, does not require heating at high temperature. Mud is also known to keep house cool in summer and warm in winter. And most importantly, building with mud is cheap, therefore affordable for many low-income families. I got curious about mud housing and I decided to speak to people living in these houses. To my surprise, I found out that people don't want to live in these houses. They want to live in concrete or fired brick houses. This made me wonder why people dislike mud house. Well, while mud has sufficient strength to build houses, it has one disadvantage. It is not water resistant. That means it requires frequent maintenance, otherwise it might collapse. There are various solutions to this problem, but I was fascinated by a peculiar solution used in India: adding cow dung to make mud wall water resistant. It might sound crazy to think of cow dung as a building material, but it has been used for construction for many centuries. Cow dung is generally applied on mud walls, which protect it from rain. Everyone knows that cow dung works very well, but I was surprised to find out that there is no scientific study which shows what makes cow dung water resistant. I was curious to find the answer and started studying cow dung in detail. You may think of cow dung as a cocktail of different materials and components. Of course, a cocktail you would not like to smell or drink. But this cow dung or cocktail has specific component which is extremely water repellent. And this is what makes cow dung water resistant. By understanding the science of cow dung and how it interacts with mud, I was able to make brick which are over 30 times more water resistant than the bricks without cow dung, as you can see here. Making these bricks is quite simple. You just take some cow dung, mix it with mud, and compress this mix, and let it dry at room temperature for a few weeks before it is ready to be used for construction. In our research, we found out that this brick performs well only if wet or fresh cow dung is used. Also, a mix of fresh cow dung and mud can be stored for as long as 1 year without growth of fungus. And we were able to solve a problem, which is nuisance of smell, by using a simple process which does not require any extra resources. And once the building is demolished, you can simply crush these bricks and just throw it in your garden to be used as a fertilizer. While it's fun to work in lab, do projects, I wanted to upscale or see if the processes used in lab can be really upscaled. So a few weeks back, we took an insane task of mixing 1,000 kilos of dung with 6,000 kilos of mud in a single day and used this mix to prepare 700 mud blocks, as you can see here. The idea of my plan is to use these blocks to construct a demonstration structure at the Green Village on our campus. After studying cow dung for many years now, I have realized that cow dung is the shit that matters. And something which matters even more is provision of affordable and durable house to everyone globally. According to World Bank, over 300 million houses are required by 2030. I believe cow dung and mud can be part of the infrastructure which is required in the near future. And it is my dream to use these bricks to build houses in India as well as in Netherlands. Thank you.